Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I am showing you how you can add multiple stops on Google Maps. So let's get started. So firstly you have to open your Google Maps like this, and then in the search bar you have to type your destination where you want to go. So in my case this is Kolkata, and after searching the any location you can see here a pop-up menu will come like this, and there is the directions with this blue button. Tap on this direction, and here you can see in the upper menu you can see the choose start location. You can simply tap on this box and you can choose any start location. So let's see, I choose Delhi as my start location. Now search this, and after this you can see the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on these three dots right here, and then tap add stop. Here you can see that the destination is showing by A, B and C. So it will further increase like this: A, B, C, D, E, whatever stops that you added. So it will based on this. So here you can add a stop like I add the Kanpur, and then you can add multiple stop. You can further type any of the stops that you want to add on your destination or on your journey. And after that you can also move these locations by holding these two lines here in the right side of this box. So that's it, and then you can simply tap on the done, and now by this you can add multiple stops on Google Maps. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. You can also leave a comment if you have any queries.